Hey, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to be sharing with you an in-depth review of the incredible Lenovo Legion Y700 tablet. This tablet is an absolute powerhouse, packed with features that are perfect for esports and gaming enthusiasts. First off, let's talk about the powerful Snapdragon 870 processor. This chipset is designed to deliver smooth and efficient performance, ensuring that you can take your gaming to the next level without any lag or hiccups. The high-resolution 8.8-inch display is absolutely stunning, with a resolution of 2560x1600, making it ideal for watching movies, browsing the web, and of course, gaming. One of the standout features of the Lenovo Legion Y700 tablet is its large memory capacity. With 128GB or 256GB of built-in storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your favorite games, photos, or media. And if that's not enough, the tablet also supports microSD card expansion up to 1TB, giving you even more room to store your files. The tablet also comes equipped with dual cameras, allowing you to capture all of your favorite moments in stunning detail. The 13MP rear camera and 8MP front camera ensure that your photos and videos will always look clear and vibrant. On the software side, the Lenovo Legion Y700 tablet runs on Android 11.0, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. The tablet also features a fingerprint recognition system, adding an extra layer of security to your device and ensuring that only authorized users can access it. In addition to all of these amazing features, the Lenovo Legion Y700 tablet is also incredibly portable and lightweight, weighing in at just 375 g and measuring 7.9 mm thick. This makes it the perfect companion for gaming on the go, allowing you to take your favorite games with you wherever you go. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Y700 tablet is an absolute powerhouse, perfect for gamers and media enthusiasts alike. With its powerful Snapdragon processor, high-resolution display, and large storage capacity, it's the perfect device for anyone looking to take their gaming experience to the next level. So, if you are in the market for a new gaming tablet, I highly recommend checking out the Lenovo Legion Y700. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and gaming content.